You know what's crazy? I have yet to review any JBL speakers on this channel. That might be why they didn't send me this product for an early review. What up, JBL?
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on, YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate. We believe all tech deserves some love. So this JBL Pulse 5 is a portable Bluetooth speaker that combines impressive sound quality and a captivating LED light show, just like its predecessor, the Pulse 4. This Pulse 5 right here is designed to add any element of fun and style to any occasion. This speaker boasts a cylindrical shape wrapped in transparent glass-like plastic, which feels solid and has a rubberized base. Its 360-degree sound projection, powerful bass, and customizable lighting modes make it perfect for parties, outdoor gatherings, or just enhancing the ambiance of your living space. With a long battery life and waterproof construction, this JBL Pulse 5 is a versatile and reliable speaker that is sure to impress you. All right, people, so you can pick this Pulse 5 up for around $250. It just got released February 2023. And you can find this on Amazon or the JBL site. So going around this box on the front side, you do have an image of the JBL speaker right here. It says Pulse 5, 12 hours of battery life, Bluetooth 5.3, JBL by Harman. On the back side, it also talks about the battery life again, the 360 light show and sound, IP67 waterproof and dustproof. You got the party boost feature, which I'll talk about inside the app. Then you also have the app, which is called the JBL Portable App, which I will touch on briefly. All right, people, so you get this nice little convenient tab right here. So open that up, and this is exactly what you'll get on the inside. You do have I think this is an accessory box. And inside of here, let's see what you get. All right, so you get some literature. We ain't talking about that. It's a speaker, self-explanatory pretty much. And then you get a charging cable. This big ass box right there, that's that. Come on, JBL, y'all can do better. All right, so you get some literature, like I said before, and you also get this USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable. And then also, of course, you do get the JBL Pulse 5 speaker unit right here. All right, people, so here it is, the JBL Pulse 5. I don't know if you can tell, but this speaker sits around 8 inches tall, and it's has around a 4-inch diameter. Like I said earlier, you do have this cylindrical shape wrapped in transparent like glass, and then here are your rubberized feet at the bottom, and when you set this down, it's a very, very soft feel. It's not like a hard plastic. It's not like a hard rubber. It's actually a soft rubber. You have your JBL logo up top, and then you also have another JBL logo at the bottom. On the back side, you have this fancy carrying strap right here, which was not on the Pulse 4. You have your power button, your Bluetooth connection button. This button right here toggles through different light modes, and then you also have your party boost button. And underneath the party boost button, you do have this LED strip right here, which lets you know how much battery life you have left on this speaker. And underneath that, you have your USB Type C charging port. One thing that I quickly noticed about this speaker, and you'll probably see me doing this throughout the video because my OCD is kicking in, is that this is a fingerprint magnet. Even though it's a darker color, to me, that bothers me. So I'm going to try and clean this off definitely before I get my B-roll shot. So I will not be touching the case during the making of this video. Be really careful, just pick it up just like that. So this JBL Pulse 5 right here has 6 different lighting modes that you can control inside the JBL Portable App. Also, on the inside of each lighting mode, you have even more lighting options to choose from, which I'll show you when I go over the app here in a little bit. Okay, so JBL is saying that this speaker right here has a battery life of up to 12 hours. And I really want to think that is depending on exactly how loud you listen to your music, because you do have an equalizer in here. You can adjust the loudness of it if you want to, and then also the lights if you're running the lights. So I think 12 hours might be safe to say if you aren't running the lights the entire time, and the volume is probably limited to 60%. And to charge this speaker back up, it'll take around 4 hours. Like I said earlier, this speaker does have an IP67 rating, so that makes it waterproof and dustproof. And also this Pulse 5 connects to your mobile device or tablets via Bluetooth 5.3. You can also connect 2 different mobile devices to this one speaker, so you can take turns on actually playing songs if you are around someone that wants to control the music as well. You do have the Party Boost feature in here, which allows you to connect to any other JBL speaker with the Party Boost option. Before I get into the sound quality on here, I just want to quickly run through the app. And this is my first time actually going through the JBL app, so I will do a quick rundown inside of this video. And I'll also be doing a full deep dive of the JBL Portable app. I'll put that YouTube link right here once it is ready. All right, people, so here's the JBL Portable app right here. Go ahead and click on that. And on the inside, hold on, let me go ahead and turn this on. You definitely want to make sure you have this connected to your mobile device first before you try to connect it to this JBL app. This app to me has been a little bit finicky at times, but I guess it's working as advertised today. So it says getting ready for you. So as you can see right here, this is what your main screen will look like. So I do just want to touch on a few things that I think are important inside of here. So the first thing is that you get these light show tabs, and you do have 6 of them right here. If I hit edit, and I can go into each different light show tab, but as you can see, you have more options under each tab for different colorway. So you have nature, party, spiritual, cocktail, weather, and canvas. And as you can see, as I switch through each different lighting tab, you get different options that pop up at the bottom, and you can go down there and deselect them. So that light option does not play if you have that deselected. I just want to have everything lit up right here. And so underneath light show, you have your light controls right here, which is pretty much self-explanatory. Just cuts the lights on and off. So you have your center light underneath right there, and then you also have your main light right here. And the slider underneath that just controls the brightness of the lights. Oh, and the last thing that I wanted to show you is the Party Boost section right here. So it says connect speakers to play together. So if I click on that, click on Party Boost, it will look for another speaker in the area. JBL Pulse 4, Pulse 3. I'm not sure if the Pulse 3 has it, but I know the Pulse 4 has it. Speaking of the Pulse 4, this speaker right here also has the ability for the Party Boost feature. So if I cut this on, and so there it goes. So as you can see right there, I have the JBL Pulse 4 right here, and I had to click this Party Boost button on the back side, but you got to make sure that this JBL Pulse 4 or any other JBL speaker is not hooked up to your mobile device via Bluetooth, and hit the party button on that secondary speaker. It'll automatically come up right here. I did have a little issue trying to make this show up. It was probably a user error, to be completely honest with you. But as you can see right here, it says JBL Pulse 5 plus JBL Pulse 4. So that's turned on. But the thing is, right next to the party section, as you can see, it says stereo. So if I click on stereo, it brings up this prompt. It says, please use only 2 of the same Party Boost speakers for stereo mode. So I would have to have 2 of the 5s or 2 of the 4s to actually use the stereo mode. That is the 3 main things that I wanted to show you inside of this app. Like I said before, I will do a more in-depth review of this JBL Portable app with this Pulse 5 as soon as I drop this JBL Pulse 5 review video. Okay, so before I do play some music on here, one thing I did want to bring up, so on the back side, like I said earlier, you do have your buttons right here. You have your power button, your Bluetooth button, your lighting mode button, and you also have your Party Boost button. One thing that you will notice that you do not have a play, pause, track forward, or track back button on here. On the JBL Pulse 4, you did have that option right here with your play, pause, and your volume up and volume down. There is no volume up, volume down, track forward, track back, play, pause button on the JBL Pulse 5. So I guess they figured that you have your cell phone in your hand all the time anyways. Just use your cell phone to control this right here. So I don't know if that was the actual thought process, but that's what I'm going with. All right, people, so now I'm done talking about all the specs, so I'm going to go ahead and play this speaker so you can see how this sounds. Obviously, the sound quality is not going to be the same because it's just not possible for me to emulate the same sound through this mic to your ears from your speakers, but I'm going to play it anyways and let you see my reactions. And as you can see, it's about 50% right now. I'll turn it up in a little bit. All right, so now I'm about to turn it up to 100% right here, so you can see how this actually sounds. Here we go, 100%. I don't know if I like that. It might be the beat. Let's change it. I ain't like that. All right, here we go. Let me change something on here. There it is. Okay, so let's cut off party mode. Party boost off. Okay, so I went and changed the beat. Okay. It don't. I don't know. All right, people, so that was my sound quality check right there. And as for sound, this Pulse 5 has a 360-degree speaker that pumps out 30 watts of RMS for the woofer and 10 watts of RMS for the tweeter, if that's the type of information that you were looking for. It's got a decent amount of bass for a speaker of this size and can get quite loud without distorting too much. Maybe I needed to turn down the treble a little bit because I think that the highs were just, I don't know, they weren't crystal clear like I would like them to be. The mids are pretty clear, though they can get a bit overwhelmed by the bass at times. At the end of the day, people, you'll enjoy pure, bold JBL Original Pro sound with this JBL Pulse 5. The sound comes out in all directions, like I said before, with separate tweeter and up-firing drivers, while the passive radiator on the bottom of the speaker delivers deep bass so that you can truly feel the music. For the size, the sound quality that this produces, $250. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. So overall, this JBL Pulse 5 is a fun and flashy speaker that's perfect for parties or just adding some ambiance to your room. The lights are definitely the star of the show here, but the sound quality is also pretty good for a speaker this size. If you're looking for a portable speaker that's both stylish and functional, the Pulse 5 is definitely worth considering. And that's all I got for you people. As always, if you find any value in this video whatsoever, please smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.